Today, I'm going to show you how to paint this super vibrant, super fun mandala on this art stone, all thanks to my good friend Joey over at the Salty Swede Presents. Y'all, she sent me the sweetest gift. Check it out. She sent me this 4.5-inch art stone, already has guidelines on it, already has the base paint on it, and then she went even further. She sent me 2 different palettes. It's like the whole rainbow. I'm going to be using them both. It was so sweet of her to do this for me. She wanted me to use my creativity and have some fun. She made me a cute little paper with swatches on it. She sent me some of the shapes she used. Y'all, I'm not changing a thing. I'm grabbing my dotting tools and I am going for it. Now, I don't have a clue what color paints that she used in here. I know that she probably used a yellow and a reddish color magenta, and then she did her own little secret mixing. Y'all, she has a couple of videos over on her YouTube channel that has to do with colors and gradients, and I would love it if you guys would go over and give her a great big thank you from me. Subscribe to her channel, check out those videos. She's got some really good stuff going on over there, and she is just the nicest person. Y'all wouldn't know it, but she gave me this gift, sent it out to me last year in August, and it is already July. It has been almost a year. I am just getting to it. And she is like, girl, just take your time. I want you to have fun. This isn't supposed to be stressful or I'm telling you, she is so sweet. She leaves me some of the sweetest comments. She's super, super supportive of other artists. And I don't know, she's just good people. I really do hope you guys go over and check her out. I'll leave you a little subscribe button at the very end of this video that you can just click and go over and check out all of her videos. But for now, I just want to give her a great big thank you. Thank you so much, Joey. This was so much fun, and this is so cool. And oh my gosh, spoiler alert, these colors are fabulous. So I'm going to head over there and check out all those videos myself and maybe learn a thing or two. Thank you so much. Now, since I didn't know exactly what colors Joey used in order to mix these up, I've just used down in the bottom left-hand corner where I leave you those paint colors, I've just used generic terms, like this one is magenta blue. I'm imagining that this is the magenta with just a little blue. All you have to do is pick out like the rainbow. Maybe pick out a red, a yellow, a blue, and just start mixing. Mix a little red with a little yellow. You're going to get that orange. Mix that orange with a little more yellow. You're going to get that yellow. You know what I mean? And just keep kind of blending them together. We have got a lot to learn when it comes to mixing colors. This project has inspired me so much. I am almost 100% sure that over there at the Salty Swede Presents, she uses Deco Art Americana. So that means I should be able to do this too. I'm going to go ahead and be collecting a few more colors, and I want to start learning to mix colors a little bit better. I want this vibrant, beautiful effect. So, little spoiler alert there, we will start doing that pretty soon. I know that Mary H had asked if we could start learning a little bit about color mixing and gradients and things like that, and I think it's time we start learning a little bit about that. If you guys have any input on that, leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And if you follow this tutorial and you go about making your own colors and mixing them all up, I am dying to see it. Over on the community page, did y'all know you can upload your art? If you've been inspired by one of my tutorials, I want to see it, y'all. Oh my gosh, it makes all of this so fun and so worth it. I want to see your art. All right, I wanted to pop in and I wanted to discuss those live video streams that I had started doing last month or so, and they've been on pause. But you may have noticed in this video that I sound just a tiny bit different. That's because I ordered a whole new headset so that maybe we can start those live videos back up. Because what you don't know is I am sitting right next to an air conditioning unit, and I bet you can't hear it. So I may sound a little different, but I promise you it is drowning out all of that annoying noise so that maybe we can do some live streams. So be looking for those pretty soon. I've got a little camping trip coming up with the family, and when we get back and I get all of my little ducks in a row, I am going to start those live stream videos right back up. All right, now I'm going to get back to painting, but before I do, I want to give a super huge, great big shout out to one of our channel members, Emma. Emma has been a channel member for like 40 months. I'm telling you, she has been there since just about the beginning and has been so super helpful, super supportive, super encouraging, super sweet, all of the super. She's just super. Anyway, I just want to tell her thank you. Y'all, she is just the best, and I just want to thank her so much for giving me so much support for so long. Thank you, Emma. You know I think you rock. Oh, isn't that swoosh neat? It looks like it's just running right off the edge of the rock. It was kind of an accident when I did it, but I think it looks so cool. I'm gonna finish out all the little swooshes in this dark area just like this. Well, I'm gonna run them beside it. That looks really neat. I like how it looks like it's just running off of there. Y'all, I'm having so much fun with this rock. I want to thank Joey over at the Salty Swede Presents just one more time. This was so cool. I am having so much fun. Had I known I was going to have this much fun, I promise you, I would have done this so long ago. But I'm actually so glad I waited because I think today I was just in the right mood, my head's in the right space, and I'm just having a ball with this. I hope you guys are too. If you have any questions about this whole tutorial, please leave me a comment down below. I know this is just a little bit different than what I normally do. So let me know your questions and I will try to answer them. And if I can't answer them, I will go hunting the answer for you, y'all. I want you to do this. It's just so much fun. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love it. I kind of want to stop, but I think it needs top dots and I don't want to do top dots. So I'm going to get out those. I think they're the faux druzy or druzzy cabochons that Beverly sent me. Put one here in the middle, and then I'm going to get out those diamond rhinestones and just do a few of those here and there and give this a little sparkle. And then I think I'm going to call it quits because this is just screaming summer to me. It actually is kind of giving me a Hawaiian vibe or something, you know. Never been to Hawaii, you guys, but I totally imagine it would be every bit this colorful. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's get these rhinestones on here. Then I am going to remove all the guidelines. I'm going to let it dry completely. I'm going to sign the back, and then I am going to coat every bit of this in some resin. Yep, right over the rhinestones and everything. I just love the look of it. If you don't, that's fine. Resin it and then put all of these rhinestones on there. But this is what it looks like when I'm done. Oh, you guys, is this not cool? I think this is the perfect project to do right now at the heat of summer. I am so excited about this. Joey, thank you so much. You knew exactly what I needed, maybe just a little earlier than I needed it, or maybe I'm just a little late. Either way, thank you so much. Y'all, please go over to the Salty Swede Presents. Click that subscribe button. I want you to watch all of her videos. You might pick up a new trick or two. I know I'm definitely heading over there and I'm going to learn everything I can about the colors that she uses. This looks phenomenal. Thank you so much. You guys watch all of these videos, go subscribe to the Salty Swede Presents, and rock on.